Staff or students that have moved location, so from one school to another, whether it be from elementary to secondary for students or just from one school to another, teachers as well, you'll notice that you have access to multiple teams. So it might seem like you are still in your old team. If you click on your teams down here, you can see which teams you have access to. I have access to multiple teams. And if I want to switch, I can switch teams. Okay, so just remember that whatever you create within one team stays within that team. So if there's something in your old team that you need in your new team, all you have to do is click on it, copy to another team, select the team, and copy. And that's how you navigate between teams.